Yeah, g'day folks. In this video I'm going to show you the Chrome extensions I'm using for web development. These are the top picks that I've got. I'll head on over and show you what I've got. Alright, I'll start with eyedropper. I'm using eyedropper, picking colours basically. I might go to a website, really like a colour. Let's go have a I might, I really want to use this brown. I really love this brown colour. So I'll head over to the picker, give me the brown, and yeah, it's a dark slate grey. There you go. Who would have known? Colour picker, eyedropper. So that's a great little tool to have. Eyedropper. It's quite popular. It's got over 500,000. That's the one I'm using. Alright, moving along. Second one I've got is WhatFont. WhatFont is exactly what it is. It'll tell you what font a website is using. You might look at a website and go, oh, yeah, I like that font. What are they using there? I wonder. What font? Tamo. Okay. Pretty cool. Pretty easy. Another must-have. Next one I'm using is a screen capture, which is Fireshot. I think it is Fireshot. Yeah, Fireshot. Fireshot. And this will take a picture or capture any part of. It'll capture the entire page if you want. It's good if you build a website and you want to take a picture of the whole page, and then store it and make yourself a portfolio. Or you want to just capture, I like this little shot here. Capture a section of a page. You can just add this little section, and you can keep that little shot and save it and have it on file, or whatever you might need to do with it. But that's that. I'm going to have a screen capture. Next I've got Rescue Time. Now what's Rescue Time? Rescue Time keeps track of all your time basically on each site. So you want to know how much time you're spending on each site. This will track them automatically for you. I really recommend this one if you want to track your time. It's great, easy. It just does everything. Just load it, and it'll work pretty with no setting up. Basically, pretty easy. It's a good time tracker. All right, the next one I'm using is PageRuler, and that'll just get. Again, I'll show you on So you want to load. You've got this space empty. You want to load a picture in that space. You want to find out how big I need to make the picture. Well, PageRuler will tell you. I've got to make that picture 736 by 200. So instead of loading a 1400 by 600 picture in there, and you probably can, but it'll just use up too much space for your site. It'll just especially if you've got a lot of images on a web page, you want it to load quicker. Getting the exact dimensions is a handy way of getting page speed quicker and just using the space exactly as needed. So PageRuler is a good tool for that. The other one I've got is Window Resizer. And that's pretty much exactly what it does. Go to the demo site, Window Resizer. What's this going to look like in a mobile? So an iPhone 6, and we can view that here. You can see it's not the mobile friendly site. It's basically made for desktop development, desktop environment. What about an iPad? Same. It's not really made for but you can check that there with that window resizer. Next I have is Web Developer. Web Developer tool, also quite popular now, so over 1 million people are using it. Web Developer tool will just basically do everything that your Google Chrome tools, developer tools will do, but this will just give a little bit sort of better layout, easier layout to read, and especially for user friendly for beginners. You know, especially you want to restyle something, or you know, what's this section? I forgot, or how do I do that? You know, we can display all the divs. There you go, and it'll just give you, oh, that's all the divs. That's pretty cool. Div and ID classes. You know, or you know, you want to go to images and disable images. Images have been displayed. Disabled. Display images dimensions. That's another great, you know, 740 by 200. So, quite useful tools. There's a lot here to play with. I'm not going to go through them all, but it's quite a useful tool. And the last one I've got here for development is JavaScript and CSS Code Beautifier. If I open that one up, and that's exactly what it does. Just beautifies your code, easy to read, minified files, or JSON file. It does JSON as well, so you know, because JSON is a little harder to read. When it's beautified, it's easier to read, of course. Alright, they're the web extensions that I'm using in Chrome that help me in my web development environment. And thanks for watching. I hope you picked up some useful tips here, or hints. And I'll see you around. Thanks.